Nexamotion Group celebrates a milestone, 50 years since the inception of Transtar Aftermarket Solutions, a name now synonymous with leadership in transmission and general repair parts. With an impressive network of 125 locations and over 1,500 dedicated team members, the company remains at the forefront of innovation and customer service. As they cast their vision forward, Nexamotion Group is not just resting on its laurels, they are actively expanding their product offerings. By integrating new general repair parts, they aim to further bolster transmission repair shops across North America, setting the stage for another remarkable 50 years of growth and success.